So this is Tootsie, and she's here for her annual exam, her wellness exam. And wellness exams are super important, and the reason for that is many, but certainly we're going to review things like a history. What's a typical day for Tootsie? What does she do? What does she eat? How much exercise is she getting? And how much time is she spending alone? Is she getting along well with her brothers and sisters, both canine, feline, and human? And just in general, what's going on in her life. And then we're going to review some of the more medical specific things like appetite, drinking, urinating, defecating, or all these things within normal parameters. And that gives us some indication of, how the pet's doing. If their weight is stable, or if possibly they've gained a little bit of weight, then we're going to certainly spend some time talking about how we're going to lose that weight and what that looks like, and how to, actually combine both exercise and dieting to get some weight off your pet if that's necessary. So we're going to talk about behavior, diet, nutrition, exercise, and then certainly we're going to review things like vaccines, make sure they're up to date. Are there any vaccines that maybe we need to add in, or depending on their lifestyle, what is best for them? A review of intestinal and external parasites. So heartworm disease is an internal, it's a heartworm, and then intestinal parasites such as hookworm, roundworm, whipworm, and then external parasites, which are ones that families are really most aware of, which are fleas and ticks. Review the family plan, what's going on with the other pets, and then also what's going on with Tootsie and what her needs are to make sure that she's well covered. So this is just some of the things we're going to talk about during the wellness exam, and I think it's a great time to answer questions that you may have about your pet and their health care and nutrition, and just a good time for us to review how they're doing. And certainly we may want to add in some lab work. Blood work annually is a great idea for all dogs. Their lifespan is much shorter than ours, and so we want to make sure that everything is going as it's supposed to, and if not, what we need to do to correct that.